Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. The Epson Stylus Multifunction all-in-one photo printer, copier, scanner, a powerhouse that's about to revolutionize the way you work and play at home. This incredible device is packed with features that will make your life easier, more efficient, and more creative. From printing stunning photos to scanning important documents, this all-in-one printer is the ultimate solution for all your printing needs. One of the most impressive features of the Epson Stylus RX680 is its incredible speed and photo printing capabilities. It can create 4 by 6 inch photos in just 11 seconds, which is faster than you can say tech magic. Imagine being able to print out your favorite memories in no time, with lab-quality results that will leave you amazed. But that's not all. It also prints documents at an astonishing rate of up to 40 pages per minute. Whether you're a student working on a project, a professional meeting a deadline, or a parent helping your kids with their homework, this printer has got you covered. The speed and efficiency of the Epson Stylus RX680 will save you time and increase your productivity, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. Another key feature that sets this printer apart is its double-sided print and copy capabilities. This means you can print on both sides of the paper, reducing your paper usage and helping you save money. It's also better for the environment, which is a win-win. The adjustable paper trays can hold up to 270 sheets of paper, so you can print large documents without needing to refill the trays constantly. This feature is especially useful for heavy users who need to print a lot of documents on a daily basis. With the Epson Stylus RX680, you can print, copy, and scan with ease, knowing that you're doing your part for the planet. The Epson Stylus RX680 also includes a powerful scanning feature that allows you to convert scanned documents to PDF files, making it easy to email or archive them. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to digitize their paperwork, such as receipts, invoices, or contracts. The scanner is also very accurate, producing high-quality scans that are perfect for preserving your important documents. And with the included software, you can easily edit and enhance your scans, making it a breeze to get the results you need. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a home user, this feature will save you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on more important things. But what really gives you peace of mind when purchasing the Epson Stylus RX680 is the 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. This means that if anything goes wrong with your printer within the first year, Epson has got your back. You can trust that you're investing in a high-quality product that's built to last and that the manufacturer stands behind it. This warranty also gives you the confidence to try out all the features and functions of the printer, knowing that you're protected in case anything goes wrong. In conclusion, the Epson Stylus Multifunction all-in-one photo printer, copier, scanner is an incredible device that's packed with features that will make your life easier, more efficient, and more creative. With its incredible speed, double-sided print and copy capabilities, powerful scanning feature, and 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty, this printer is the ultimate solution for all your printing needs. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start experiencing the power of Epson's technology for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a game changer, and it's going to take your productivity